Will I get a placebo in EMD research studies? If you are considering participating in a research study for muscular dystrophy, you might wonder if you will receive a placebo. In many clinical trials, especially those testing new treatments, participants are often randomly assigned to either receive the experimental treatment or a placebo. A placebo is an inactive substance that looks like the treatment but does not have any therapeutic effect. This method is crucial for measuring the treatment's safety and effectiveness compared to having no active intervention. Placebo-controlled trials are common in muscular dystrophy research. They help ensure that any benefits observed are genuinely due to the treatment and not influenced by participant expectations or the natural progression of the disease. For instance, clinical trials for drugs like drisapersen or vamorolone, which target Duchenne muscular dystrophy, have included placebo groups to establish a clear comparison. How does the assignment to a placebo work in these studies? Participants are randomly assigned to either the treatment group or the placebo group. This is often done in a double-blind manner, meaning that neither the participants nor the researchers know who is receiving which until the study concludes. This approach helps eliminate bias and ensures the integrity of the results. The likelihood of receiving a placebo depends on the specific study design and the ratio of participants in the treatment and placebo groups. Some studies may have equal numbers in each group, while others might have more participants receiving the active drug. Additionally, placebo-controlled phases are typically limited in duration. After this phase, participants who received a placebo may be offered the active treatment, particularly in progressive diseases like muscular dystrophy. Placebos are used for several reasons. They help to determine if the treatment provides a real, measurable benefit beyond what might occur naturally or through psychological effects. Regulatory bodies requiring this type of rigorous testing to ensure that new treatments are both safe and effective. This scientific rigor is vital for the credibility of research findings. If you have muscular dystrophy and are considering participation, it is important to know that receiving a placebo does not mean you will be denied care. Participants continue to receive standard medical care throughout the study. Placebo-controlled trials are essential for advancing treatments for muscular dystrophy and can ultimately benefit the wider community. Researchers closely monitor all participants for safety and provide options for receiving active treatment after the placebo phase if appropriate. In summary, yes, in many muscular dystrophy research studies, you may receive a placebo as part of the study design. This is a standard practice in clinical research that ensures new therapies are effective and safe before they become available to the public. Always discuss any questions or concerns with your healthcare provider and the study team to understand the specific design and what receiving a placebo means for your care.